guys, it's your girl Curlaide here, also known as Curly Girl Chrissy, and I am back with another video. For this video, I will be trying to do cocoon curls, as you can see from the title. I got this idea from Bree Hall, her YouTube channel. She was trying out TikTok hacks, and I've been wanting to try this style for a very long time since they came out, and I haven't done it yet, so I'm gonna do it now. My hair is not blown out, my hair is dirty. I haven't washed it in like 2 weeks. It's not dirty, it doesn't really have buildup because I had it in twists. Then I took it out a week later and left it out, and then I literally applied product today to comb it out and get this brushed out look so I could trim my hair. So we're just gonna get started. I'm only using 2 products. Going to go in with the Camille Rose Curlaide Moisture Butter, right? I love this. This is always my go-to product. This product is so moisturizing, and I love the smell. The smell of it. My goodness gracious. And then I'm going in with the tgin Honey Whip Hydrating Mousse. I'm going to do the back and then I'll come back because I need to figure out what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. So when I figure it out, I'll come back. So I got a few done. I got 7 done already. Now up here, I'm doing medium size sections. I'm gonna go in with this, taking about that much because my hair is really dry. I'm gonna add a little bit more to the ends. And then add a pump of mousse. A little bit more. I take my brush, the denim brush, brush it up gently. And now we're twisting. When I'm almost halfway down or after halfway down, I just go in and I make sure it's detangled. Just keep twisting. So now you twist all the way until the end. And you twist as if you're about to do a bantu knot, but you're not wrapping it all the way up. You're gonna take either 1 finger or 2. I'm doing 1. And this is more than halfway up, and you're just going to keep twisting around your finger and twist it over. So you twist it in the direction that you did your 2-strand twist in. And you just put it over. And you just try and do it as tight as you can. Keep wrapping it around. And what I'm doing is I tuck it under whatever I just, like, literally just tuck it under, and I'll pull tight, and then you got it. You might have a little bit sticking out. I always try and go all the way until the end. You should always try to aim to do it tighter. So I'm gonna be back to show you this side, okay? So now I'm gonna go all the way from the top right here, and I'm going to twist. Remember to keep 1 finger right here, and just to keep twisting, and twist in the direction of your twist. Don't twist the opposite way because then it will just be all messed up. Well, at least I think so, because you don't want your twist to unravel. And there you have it. And I'm trying to make them even, but guess not.
Why?
So I'm all done. I'm gonna go sleep with these. It's like 2 in the morning. I'm gonna go sleep with them, wake up, probably sit under the hooded dryer for an hour or so, and then come back and take it out. See you guys tomorrow.
Doing things, switching lanes in the beamer with you, and swimming in deep waters.
I'm back. It's the next day, well, the same day, just later on in the day, because I did finish at like 1 or 2 in the morning. I don't know what time it was. It was late though. But yeah, under this bonnet, I sat under the hooded dryer for like 20 minutes, if that made a difference. I don't know. It was like 10 minutes, and then took a break, and then came back for another 10 minutes. But I had it on high, so yeah. This is how they're looking. Some of them in the back are loose. I'm not sure how those are gonna turn out, but none of them came out, surprisingly. I thought they were gonna come out while I was asleep, because I'm a wild sleeper, and yeah. But they didn't come out. But yeah, let's get straight into it. I'm going to be applying some of this sweet almond oil I got from my beauty supply store. I'm just going to apply some on my hands and get to separating. So I'm just going to lightly untwist, unravel, and let's hope they're dry. Look at that. Hopefully the curls stay. This is cute. Look at that. Look how cute those little curls are. So cute. Ah! 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 This is the thing. This is too similar to Bantu knots, and I hate Bantu knots. I hate how they come out of my hair. I would say like untwist if it's like too like scrunched up. I would just say like twist the opposite way to loosen it up just a little bit. But this is how it's looking. God damn it, I really hate shrinkage, bro. Look at that. And this looks so much shorter than this, and I hate it. This is why I don't like Bantu knots. This is why. But let's not judge until everything is up, okay? So literally, I'm just going to untwist. Careful, because my hair gets very frizzy. So, and you see I still have oil on my hands, so I'm just untwisting. And then you have it. This looks like a twist up. This is ridiculous. Should have made the ones in the back tighter. I knew it. Hey guys, so I'm back. I had twisted all of them, and I'm actually starting to like it. Now let's just hope that the separating part isn't as bad, because I did use more mousse up here than I did in the back. So hopefully that doesn't affect anything. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil to my hands just so frizz won't occur, or try to minimize frizz. Just gonna pat it on my hair. Okay, so I'm starting from the back. So you're going to basically separate like you're separating for a twist. So you just want to separate where it wants to. So I'm just gonna keep gliding down to see where it wants to separate. And we're just gonna go based off of that. And you're just gonna twist around your fingers to try and keep the curl pattern. And I'm trying my best, because I really don't work when I record and stuff, I don't look in the mirror. I'm gonna show you one more time, and then we're gonna speed it up. So gonna just try and flatten it out as much as I can, and then you'll see right there where it wants to separate. Get out. You just twist around your finger, keep it going. I did half my hair. Oh my god, it looks so cute. At least on here. Gotta see it in the mirror first. Probably pick it out some. But this looks so cute and so defined. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. Oh! 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 Now I'm annoying. But oh my god, it looks so cute.
I can't even leave the country. And it's not like
Yo, oh my god, my hair. I just haven't. It's been a very long time since I've done something to my hair that I actually liked. After like I got my hair colored, like I really couldn't figure out what fits me. Like I was trying to figure out what products I can use, and I just got over it and did a protective style and never looked back. And now that I'm trying to get back on YouTube and Instagram and stuff, trying to post, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh my goodness gracious. Hopefully this lasts me for a couple of days. And you know what I just realized? I did this on like 2-week-old hair. This is the finished results. I'm not gonna go in and pick out anything just because it is humid outside and my hair, and I'm not going to separate anymore and my hair might frizz up. So I'm just going to leave it like this. But this is the final results. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you like what you see on my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button. And please comment down below if you have any questions, and share, of course, share the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.
When all is said and done, you believe God is one.